Welcome in Madeleine's Intuitive Kitchen, and today we will make a frittata vegana. This is a zucchini from a friend from a garden, which is really fresh. And I will cut a piece off here and make the topping first. So I make some bands of like something like this, because you will see this is the decoration.
Nice.
It just looks pretty. Then I put these in here. There will maybe one more or two. It just looks so pretty. And then I will cut this tomato. Kind of fine. This is the decoration. It's beautiful, the green and the red. Put this over here. And this is cold pressed flax seeds oil. And just to close the pores, because this will sit, of course we will cover it. So, and now what goes into the pastry is a flax egg. Did you ever hear about the flax egg?
No, what's a flax egg, Madeleine?
Yeah, so a flax egg is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed replacing 1 egg. And we will grind this in the coffee mill. Very fine. This is how it looks. And this is for the purpose of binding the pastry together, gets it like with an egg. And so we just, this should be about the amount. And this is how it looks.
Beautiful.
And this will now cure a little bit. And we go and mill our grains. This is spelt, about 4/5 and 1/5 of millet. I like to put little millet in. It's just nice, healthy, and tastes good. So, and this is the stone mill, and we start grinding. And this is the beauty of making the flour at home, fresh. Look, it's great. So now we put a little bit of this ancient real salt in there. It's all however you like. And now comes the flax egg. You see it got kind of thick now.
Great.
And then we need some water. And we don't like to put too much in. This is about what we're doing for right now. So now we will grate this zucchini. Cut it so it fits. This is a silis, and we grate it on this. Maybe you will look this size.
Good.
It makes just a beautiful juiciness in the frittata. And you can replace, if you have any better ideas, you can put some eggplants, or it should be something kind of juicy. So, and now we put this all in here. So that whole big zucchini. Now we can put a little more water. So now we work it in and mix it nicely, evenly. These are dried from the garden.
Oregano.
Oregano, thyme, marjoram, and a little bit of onion powder. It's making it really nice. It smells good.
Yeah.
So let's see how the consistency is. So now we will heat up this pan on high. I just laid out with a little bit of coconut oil. Put it evenly, spread it out. It's very easy, it's a very fast, it's very festive actually.
Oh, it's great to share with friends.
Yes. What we will do is cover this. Also, if you don't have a pan like this, probably, then you can use a frying pan, or you put it in the oven and just bake it. So what we will do is leave it for a couple of minutes on high, and then I put it on very low, and I leave it for 20 minutes, and then I turn it over. So see you then. Hello! We're making cucumber salad. And then of course the flour we take off. I just picked them this morning.
Wonderful.
It's so neat.
And that's going to go with the Vegana frittata.
Here we have another drum for the salad. Alright, so. And it smells fresh. A nice salad. It's so refreshing. Such a salad. Nature makes it perfect. Really beautiful. Look at this shape. It's like a lace. It's really beautiful. And here we have the result. Put some dried dill. And then to close the pores of the cucumber, I do a drizzle of flaxseed oil. It tastes good just like this. And this is it for right now. Yes, and we're back in the kitchen here, and we'll see if we can turn it.
Great.
All right, so this is how it looks right now, and we do the easy way. So if you have a board like this, that's a really great thing to do. So.
Great.
So here it is. So, and now we slide it back in.
Good.
It will look nice at the end. Don't worry. We're having intuitive cooking here, and we always opt for new challenges. And now we cover it, and it was actually about half an hour. I had it on, and first on hot and then on very low, and now we do another maybe 15 minutes. And then we come back, and then we can probably eat some.
Sounds
All
good.
right, see you soon. All right, so here we are again, and our frittata vegana is now ready. So now we will do the same trick again.
Wow, there, good job. Flip that baby. Wow. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful.
It looks wonderful. So now we have different dressings. First, a little bit of black salt.
Okay.
A little bit. It tastes just so good. And then we will put these on, like how it comes.
So that's the zucchini strips with the tomato.
Yes. These tomatoes kind of more or less equally. We have here shiso. This is a Japanese herb, and they use it in Asia. I cut it finely here, and I will put a little bit over here, then maybe this in the middle, and then I have some cut up green onions, which gives it a great taste. This is the result.
Wow.
And this, of course, tastes very good with our cucumber salad. And we will serve the plates. So cutting some pieces. You can actually make it in the morning and then serve it in the evening, and just make it a little warm or hot in the evening if you like that, or cold. Ours now is lukewarm. So we have a side, and then some home-grown sprouts. Will is the master, the sprout master.
Shizu.
And then we have some great tomatoes from the garden. This is what we'll eat tonight.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah. Some frittata vegana, some homegrown sprouts, and some shiso, and some cucumber salad. Bon appetit, and see you again for the next extravaganza.